Hey buddy, if you're new here, welcome. I've been traveling solo in my DIY van for over a year now, chasing down the best natural adventures. Today we're wrapping up our time in Northern California and heading on to Oregon for an awesome Deschutes River adventure. First, let's check out what cool stuff we can find along the way. Our first stop is just a short drive from where we left off last week, Jed Smith Park. Let's get into it. Just gonna float on back to camp. Maybe take a stop at one of these chill spot eddies. Get the boat front ways. That's a waterfall, all right. Where is it? There she is. Now that's a waterfall. Hell yeah. It's a big one. She's a big one. Another one. Whee-hoo. Jesus Christ. I'm not getting any closer. It's freaking me out. Backing up. Backing up. Deschutes River. Looking nice. Since I'm going to be paddling upstream, I won't be able to take any phone footage, so let's switch over to this camera. Shall we? See if we can paddle upstream for an hour or two, and see how long it takes to float back. Don't want to be in the middle. Got it cut in. Hello. I'm gonna cut over. I see a bunch of ripples on the right and some calmness over here. That's better. Gotta watch out for these logs though. The sharps. Looks like shallow on the left, so we're gonna have to cross again, and it's gonna be a strong one. It's gonna be a strong one. Get low. Get low. That's real shallow. Come on. Come on.
Come on. Come on. I don't know if I can make it past this. We're gonna walk it up. Whew. It's a lot more shallow than I thought it was. Scraping my paddle pretty good. Gotta get into one of these side eddies over here. I'm never gonna make it. I have to go pole style. Not like poling with my paddle, but just be ginger. Maybe I can get a pole off the side of the stream here. All right, paddle wasn't working too well, so I got this nice pole. However, it's a little too deep right now. All right. Hello. Eh. We're really moving now. And the soft mud too. Hey. Eh. Stick it down in the mud in the front. Push and retrieve. Stick it down. Push, retrieve. Keep putting it too close to the dang. Oh, I need to put it further outside and really push off. It's better if it's like a little too shallow to paddle. But I'm trying it out in deeper water here. Oh God, deadfall. Yeah. Oh, she might be too deep now. She might be too deep now. Been going for probably 45 minutes or so. And we're not even 1 mile downriver, upriver. At least the sun's poking out a tiny bit again. Get over to this left side outer corner. It looks like a nice Edmundo. Oh, as soon as we work on the pole, it gets super deep. Great. I'd love to just cruise up the side. It's way more chill, but so much deadfall. This one, it's basically at the surface. Oh Jesus. Oh God. Oh jeez. I think I need to rejuvenate my spirits here, if you know what I'm saying. Yeah, we'll check back in a little further upriver. Deep mud. Deep mud. We won't be getting out here. That's for dang sure. But I will pull up in. Alright, now we can sit down for a second. I noticed this little bend here, bull bend. So we're gonna portage across. With the portage, we made it like 1.5 miles upriver. Not too shabs. Time to flip back down, I guess. The best part. All right. It's gotta rain every day around here. I see. Let's see what's up. Chilling. Maybe I should get my rain jacket. Yeah. We got some thunder. Didn't see any lightning, but don't mind the rain. Lightning. Not a fan. Although it's PVC conductive. Son bitch. Oh shit, gotta go. Something up ahead. So quiet. Shh. Shh. Well, my battery's being weird, so switching over to the phone cam. It was fun while it lasted.
Thank you so much for watching. If you're still here, you are amazing. Your support means a lot to me, and I truly appreciate it. If you're enjoying the adventures and want to support the journey even more, consider joining me on Patreon. Your support helps keep the wheels turning and adventures rolling. Plus, you'll get exclusive behind-the-scenes content, early access to videos, and a chance to be a part of the adventure. The link is in the video description if you want to check it out. Either way, thanks for being a part of the journey, and we'll see you next time. Have a great one.